Gyan Sthan, the only ISO certified institute, has created a program that meets the needs of the most driven students to excel in the subject economics for different classes from 9 to 12. Hello everyone, I am Anuradha Mehra, co-founder of Gyan Sthan Institute. My passion for teaching fuels Gyan Sthan. I started this venture in the year 2012 as an accomplished early childhood educator, former teacher, and a mother of two daughters and one son. I have an excellent grasp for the power of economics. As an educator, I also know that students who establish a solid fundamental foundation gain confidence, which allows them to succeed in the class. I possess MBA in Personnel, Master in Economics and Bachelor of Education. I have held senior positions in global companies and Delhi Public School. I have seen how different cultures that value economics have excelled in the global economy. I decided to bring the enthusiasm for economics, which sometimes called as dry subject. I have dedicated myself to the education of students through economics. I'd like to share some of my achievements. I have been appreciated as Best Performing Economics Teacher by Miss Smriti Irani, ex-HRD Minister, through Delhi Public School. Second in the list is, I have been awarded by Global Achievers Forum as Best in Class Awards for Best Economics Institute in Ludhiana. And also, Gyan Sthan Institute received Global Education Excellence Award 2019 for Best Economics Coaching Institute for 11 and 12 in Ludhiana city by Prime Time. When I started teaching at Gyan Sthan, I found students were thinking of getting 100 marks only in maths or maybe in any other practical subject. It was a challenge to make them believe that it is very much possible to hit century even in economics. After that, with the grace of Almighty, year after year, Gyan Sthan is able to produce centurions and achievers. Gyan Sthan produced school toppers, city toppers, district toppers, and state toppers many a times. Let's watch what students say about Gyan Sthan.
Hello everyone, I'm Divyansh Kabra, a proud student of Gyan Sthan from 2016-17 batch. I got a score of 100 in economics, and that's why it's always a special moment for me to thank Anuradha ma'am and this great institute. She's not just an economics teacher, but a teacher of life skills and spirituality. Between all the tensions of class 12th, talking to her was always a special moment, a refreshing moment for me. Excellent teaching and rigorous testing has made it all possible for me that today I am sitting in Ahmedabad pursuing my dreams. Thank you so much, Team Gyan Sthan. Thank you so much, ma'am, for setting an example of teaching without raising voice on any student ever. Thank you so much. And as we always say, we never cease to learn.
Everyone, I'm Riddhi Shah. I've learned economics from Gyan Sthan Tuition by Anuradha ma'am. And trust me, Gyan Sthan gives you the best learning experiences ever. I've been able to score a century in my board exams, class 12, because of first of all the motivation that ma'am gives, and of course her teaching techniques are very, very good. And it made me seem that economics is a very easy subject just because the way she teaches, and of course it became one of my favorites. So I hope you all will have a great experience when you join this institute, and best of luck.
In fact, no lockdown could stop us providing the best education to our students. We at Gyan Sthan Institute are taking O2O coaching, that is offline to online, in a very effective and smooth manner. Students get the access of video lectures, online classes, and study material as well. After every chapter, we provide them the assignments and take tests in both objective as well as subjective form. Gyan Sthan is known for correcting and returning the subjective tests within 24 hours time. This method is even followed very well during lockdown. Gyan Sthan is the only institute which emphasizes more on test series, as we believe that students gain more confidence when they write the content repeatedly. We take 4 test series in a year, apart from chapter-wise test, unit-wise and monthly tests, which itself is an achievement. Before sending the students for final exams, we make them practice 20 to 25 sample papers to ensure timely and accurately finishing of the exam. Gyan Sthan also helps pupils to make their projects and preparation of viva questions for final paper. We are proud to announce that we not only produce scholars but responsible citizens as well. In lieu to that, I'd like to mention some of the activities done by Gyan Sthan. We did tree plantation under the program Save the Environment. Many a times we conduct career counseling sessions. Life and social skill counselings are also done. Motivational sessions by experts on various topics like stress management, goal setting, steps to score high, importance of cleanliness also to promote Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. We also conduct meditation classes and langar also distributed to poor and needy many a times. Firefighting methods, disaster management and many more. We at Gyan Sthan are committed to help students learn to enjoy and excel in every sphere of life. Our goal is to give students a strong fundamental basis and help them reach their full potential. If any one of you is willing to join Gyan Sthan, you can contact us at the given numbers and email. Thank you very much.